In the report that I gave you, if it was not sent to you by email, I'll put it in the description part of this video. I explained the importance of protein structure prediction in general and the role of artificial intelligence in protein structure prediction and its advantages and disadvantages. In this video that I'll shoot, it will be a tutorial video on how to implement Swiss modeling and template-based prediction. The Swiss modeling is a software that provides a 3D structure of proteins by using template-based method. Okay, but what does that template-based prediction means? It means that you are using really similar protein sequence template that is really similar to your interested protein. And that protein that you are using as a template is predicted before, experimentally with wet lab methods or with experimental methods in laboratory. So you don't have to waste your weeks or months to predict a 3D protein structure. So in total, what you have to know is we need our interested proteins FASTA sequences and our Swiss modeling software and your template protein. Okay, so let's get started then. Uniprot.org is our website that we're going to use to obtain our FASTA sequences for our interested proteins. So ADRB2 is the protein that I'm going to use today, which is a member of G protein coupled receptor superfamily. So I'll be using this today. And here are the list of entries here. So you're gonna use what is suits for your project, what suits for your project. This is the part that we're interested in. What we need is listed here. So this is our FASTA sequence, okay? So just click on the copy sequence part. So it copies what you need. And that's all. We don't need this uniprot.org website anymore. From now on, we can continue to predict our 3D structure by using our template-based protein. So for that, we are going to use expasy.org website. Here is our website. From this main page, please find that Swiss model. And here we have browse the resource website part. Click on that. This is the main page that we will work on. Here is start modeling. So, I was talking about templates. We don't have to find our templates one by one. Just paste your FASTA sequence here and click on search for templates button, and it will search for templates for your interested proteins. It will take time. So as a result, you have a list of templates here. Here are a few things that you have to focus on, which is GMQE. GMQE is important. It's Global Model Quality Estimate. It gives a range between 0 and 1, and you have to select with higher GMQE value. So it will give you higher quality estimation. So this is the template that I'll use. You have to select this one and click on Build Models button. So you have to wait here in order to obtain a 3D protein structure. As a result, this is the image, the 3D structure of my protein that I obtained by using template-based Swiss modeling. Video I'll be explaining template-free protein prediction. So and then we will compare them with each other, so we can see if they're similar to each other or not. So next, let's look at how we are going to predict a protein structure with template-free modeling. For that, we are going to use ChimeraX software. Here it is. Let's wait for this to open. Here it is. So, ChimeraX actually has a toolbar that includes AlphaFold part. AlphaFold is actually an artificial intelligence tool that we can predict protein structures without using any template. You can find advantage and disadvantage of AI-based modelings for template-free predictions. So you have detailed information there. So, and this is integrated into ChimeraX. Here is our sequence part that we are going to paste our interested protein sequences, FASTA sequences. And be sure that in that option part, you don't select this to line. And please press on the predict button here, and it opens a new tab for AlphaFold. This warning is because you don't have anything transferred into that collab AlphaFold from any Google-based software, so that's why just don't mind what it is. Press on run anyway. That collab, AlphaFold Predict collab, is Google-based software, actually Google-based page, so that you can use AlphaFold as a student or as a researcher. Press on the play button here, so it will search for a 3D structure via AlphaFold. This part halfway, this is the first thing that you are going to see: sequence coverage plot. This colors means something, of course. I'll explain it later. When the process is done, you can see that the button here is not working anymore and our process is done. We have predicted aligned error plot and colored 3D structure image and etc. And also you can understand that the process is done. Here is written downloading structure predictions to directory to this part of ChimeraX, which actually directly transfer our 3D structure to ChimeraX. You don't have to do anything. It's really easy. It just transfers the 3D structure, and that's all. So here is our colored 3D structure that is predicted by using AlphaFold via ChimeraX.